So a quick overview of the chipper before we get started. I'm going to show you how it's set up and how it looks. You go ahead and you turn this. Once it threads out, you'll be able to open up your chipper. So if it's clogged or whatnot, you can get it in here. Please make sure you have it powered off, and I would unplug the plug before you open this up. Then you go ahead, just turn it back on. You got your on-off switch right here. You got a circuit breaker switch right here. This is how it would go on. So you have the base like this. You put the one screw here, one screw on the other side. You got your wheels, and you got this bar that comes with it. So the bar goes through. You put the washers on just like this, both sides. And then you go ahead and you take your wheel hubcap, line it up. Once you line it up, it's a little hard to do with one hand, but you line it up and you pop it in place for your little hub. What's up everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the Sun Joe 14 amp chipper. So as you can see, we got a lot of brush, debris. So let's go ahead and let's see how well this works. So this is about the size that you cannot use. So that's about the limit thickness. You can push that in if you are controlling it, but for the most part you don't really want to go. You probably try and stay a little thinner than that. But yeah, so works good. Two things you're going to want: gloves and eye protection. I use neither. which I'm alright, but then again, I'm used to working outside and my hands are pretty rough. So yeah, it cleared out pretty good. Definitely got a lot of chippings. My thoughts are it's time consuming, so it's going to take a little time to do everything. You're going to have to get used to it. You're going to have to kind of mentally know in your head what sizes work, and sometimes you have to have a steady feeding. So if you can feed them steadily going down through the hole, just because it's this big does not mean it actually fits that thick branch, so keep that in mind. But overall, I'm happy. It's a good workout, that's for sure, and it will take time, but slowly I am chipping stuff up